Okay, here are some important things that you need to know about units of time. Okay, so there are 60 seconds in every minute. There are 60 minutes in every hour. There are 24 hours in every day. There are 7 days in every week. There are 52 weeks in every year. And there are also 12 months in every year. Now, don't fall into the trap of thinking that there are 4 weeks in every month, because it doesn't actually work like that. Some months have 5 weeks, some months have 4 weeks. Yeah, don't think there's 4 weeks in every month. Okay, now I find this diagram super important. Every time I'm doing conversions of units, I have to draw this out so that I can follow it myself. And I've been doing maths for a very long time. So I recommend that you learn this diagram, and you also learn the one for converting units of measurement, like centimeters to meters to kilometers, that one as well. Super useful, super important, especially if you end up going to TAFE to do a trade of some kind. You definitely need to know it. Okay, anyway, so using this particular diagram, that is how we can do questions such as this. Okay, so I want to know how many minutes there are in 11 hours. So I've got to convert 11 hours to minutes. So what I'm going to do on my diagram is I'm going to find hours, okay, and I've got 11 of them. And I want to turn my hours into minutes. So I'm going to follow the arrows. So 11 hours, to get to minutes, I'm going to be timesing by 60. So I'm going to go 11 times 60. Okay, then I'm going to do that multiplication. So 1 times 0 is 0. Okay, so there are. So by following this, going from hours, so 11 hours, to minutes, I'm timesing 11 by 60, which gives me 660. So there are 660 minutes in 11 hours. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do a tricky one. So I want to go from days to minutes. I want to find out how many minutes are in 2 days. So I need to do 2 conversions here. So first, I'm going to find days on my diagram. So days is up here. And I've got 2 of them. Okay, so I'm at 2 days. So to go to hours, first of all, I need to multiply by 24. Okay, so 2 days, I'm timesing by 24, gives me 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours in 2 days. So now I've got 48 hours up here, and I want to convert it to minutes. So now I'm going to be multiplying by 60. So 48 times 60. 6 8 is 48, carry the 2, 6 4 is 24. So that would be 2,880 minutes. So 2,880 minutes. So 2 days is equal to 2,880 minutes. So the most important thing to know here when it comes to converting units of time is you knowing this diagram. Okay, I can't stress this enough. Learn this diagram. All right, very important. And when you're going down in units, when you're going from a unit that's going from a big one to a small one, you're going to be multiplying. And then when you're going from a small unit to a big unit, you're going to be dividing. Okay, so remember the direction, remember the diagram, remember the numbers. Okay, write it in your book, write it on a poster, hang it up above your bed so you can look at it every night. Give it a smooch before bed. Memorize this. Okay, super important.